So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyles. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1. Miropelia is book 2. And I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe. So you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. Yeah, just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork.
Well,
hello.
It's Orbem the original.
These days. It's crazy.
Intro and all.
Movies, maybe that was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style.
Just for you, Andy.
That be the most
How's it going, man?
Version of nerd.
Boop, boop, boop. Alright, I forgot to get that going. Okay. There we go. Well, looking a little crowded here. I've got a lot going on. Hey! Rose Apapatapata fan, how you doing? Welcome. Come, watch, enjoy. I've got a lot of random stuff, man. Yeah. I've got my tablet, drawing tablet. I've got print that just finished, and I'm gonna start another one. Hey, Void Vixen, how you doing? Welcome to the party. And I've got the screen. On YouTube Shorts Live, I only have my tablet screen, and then I got a couple of little cameras showing the printer and the tablet, but yeah, we have a lot going on tonight. Wanted to do a little bit more on the asset creation, So, yeah. enjoy. Enjoy the random amount of junk I have going on. I also have a mouse. I know, it's weird. But because of where my drawing tablet is set, yeah. What is it? What'd you say? YouTube Shorts live feed? That's the YouTube Shorts thingy behind your webcam? Hmm? What are you talking about? Oh, that's the... No, that's the website. That's just the website behind me. You know I have the live thing on the website. I have a little bit of website showing, but we're gonna switch that over to this because I have the full sun showing. Yeah, it's my really old mouse that I used to really love to use on my old HP laptops. Not HP, but my old PC laptops. But tried and true. Yeah, it's my trackpad's right here under the tablet, so it's kind of hard to get to. I'm still going to use it, but for now, I need to load up a new print to get started. So let's do that real quick. What's next? I'm actually going to do another flex key print. I did a little bit of redesigning on the chamfers. And I need to get a clean white version of it. Just phase my hand through. Oh yeah, man. Super easy. What up, week one? What are those earrings called again? Hoops you're wearing thingy? Oh, these are gauges? Plugs? Yeah, 1.25 inch, if you're wondering the size. Void Vixen. 1.25 inch, yeah. I was a professional piercer for 10 years. I worked in Hollywood for a while at the Walk of Fame Tattoo and Studio City at Body and Soul, El Clasico and Echo Park. That was a fun one. Echo Park is tidbit sketchy, but yeah. So yeah, that's I collected a lot of my own piercings. I've only pierced myself too. So I mean, I've only been pierced by myself. I don't trust other piercers. Nor should you. I'm the only piercer you should trust. Though I don't do it anymore, so you're screwed. Yeah, so let's get another print going. What do we got? Well, you guys are in for a treat. YouTube Shorts live feed. If this is your first time here, you know what time it is. Scotch time. Oh yeah. Scotch time. And we refilled our sword. And if you're wondering, this is my decanter. It is a sword. And it's full of 10-year Lafroig. I only drink scotch. And I only drink peaty scotch. I don't know. I'll take an Okie. I'll take like an Oban 14 or something, but... Do I still have the old Scotch time video? I don't think so. I replaced the Scotch time video. The old one was, it was nothing. It was just like repeating video. I kind of don't remember either. I just love this one so much more because it has a song built into it. Speaking of song, I don't think we have music. Oh, I think we might. Where the hell's the sound coming from? It's like the sound coming from the tablet. Well, that's weird. Let's not do that. There we go. Hey, we might work on some music tonight too. Why not? We still have to do the Graham's condo. This is pretty crowded. Yeah, I'm feeling a little claustrophobic here. Well, once you start working on the art a little bit more, it won't be, it won't feel so bad, because most of it's art related. Yeah. Also, if you're first time here, I'm working on Escape to Orbem. That would be the WordPress game engine RPG video game I have been building. And yeah, the top middle is the only one that's like kind of showing the screen. So I kind of wanted to keep a little space. Like, here's what I'm working on here. Oh shit, I shouldn't have moved that. So this is going to be getting printed in a bit. My flex keys. So let's go ahead and get that going. I gotta clear off the print bed first. Alright, let's get that started. Okay. Let's slice this. What do we got going on? Layer height's fine. Let's turn off support. And slice it up. Don't care what that means. Slice it anyways. Whoa, what the hell? What is that? Looks kind of shitty. Okay, well, let's leave the ironing on. Yep, 30-minute print. Let's hit it. What did you think of the soup bowl last night? It was alright. I kind of wanted KC to win just because it's kind of a team that we've been following since before they were winning Super Bowls, but Eagles fucking killed them. Like, their Eagles defense had dominated the KC the entire game. Like, Mahomes, nobody could do anything. It was all Eagles defense the entire game. And Hurts, you know, he just did what he wanted to. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Now, what we're working on mostly is fucking Graham walking down. I already have him walking to the right, which I'll show you. Oh wait, no, I have a preview, I think. No, let's open up another preview. I have 3 screens going, so now everything's everywhere. Hey, off the bed, how you doing? I've been printing all the products with the final designs, and that's a real pen. I should not be using a real pen. I almost drew on my screen. Yeah, I've been printing all the products because Orbem Order is now officially a business. Trademark meeting is on the 18th, so I can start getting the trademark pending, so I can finally start posting the products on Amazon. So we're working on it, but anyways, right now what we want to do, I was going to show you walking right. Here we go. Oh, let's open this and chrome. Alright, there we go. So yeah. This is what he looks like. Walking to the right. Okay? Oh yeah, man. The flex keys are cool. Can't wait to post those. I'm going to do a full white pair of flex keys. Product photos are going to be in white. And then I'll, you know, Photoshop the colors in. But you should be able to get white, blue, red, green. White, blue, red, green, gray. And black. And you can interchange the shell and the keys in any of those colors. So that'll be cool. So here's walking right, which so far, here you go, nice and big. So far, it's fine. It's good enough. And then I have this done now. I have static walking down, which looks like this. So now I have a static him looking forward. Yeah, I'm drinking, you're drinking. Them's the rules. So, the static walking down, you'll see I did a lot of work on making him... You see how he's turning straight at the camera more? So I actually converted him this way to that, which it looks like I made the coat a little dark. I'm gonna have to lighten that up. Orange juice! That'll work. So I think I did a good job of getting him straight. Now I'm gonna make him walk down. I have a guide that I'm using, which will end up being 12 steps to make it look like he's walking towards the camera. But it should still kind of look like he's walking down. So let's get started on that. So I have the arms correct. Now I need to get the feet in the right position. That's not a foot. That's a foot. And I need to figure out how to use this mouse again. I haven't been using a mouse for Photoshop in a long time. Oh yeah. Thanks for the sub, man. Okay, so it looks like the right foot needs to be kind of stepping forward a little bit. So to do that, that's how it's going to start. So I'll just start it off like that. Alright, so we'll just make it go a little up. So that's how it's going to start. And I think that's good enough. So now we'll work on the transitions. So the second step is going to look like this. Which it looks like the back arm's going back more. The front arm's going front more. And looks like her back foot is going back. So I'm gonna need to put his foot down and put the other one up. Oh nice, your heater's fixed? Hell yeah. That'll be awesome for you. So let's do this. Let's make these smart objects. Convert to smart object. Convert to smart object. Okay, cool. Oh, we also need the arms to be smart objects. arm. This one's already a smart object. Okay, cool. So let's start with the back one. Back one needs to be more back. So we'll start a transform. And then we'll go to the next. And we will make it go more back. So we'll just do one of these. Like that. That actually doesn't look bad. But we'll actually go a little out. Oops. Okay. There's one. And then the other arm is right up here. So we're gonna start transform. And then we're gonna move. I'm gonna need this to be a little bigger. Okay, I can see it. Go to here. Alright, and his arm needs to go a little bit more forward now. Maybe too forward. Yeah, that's good. Have you ever heard of Mac.bid? Now, what is that? You like bid on old MacBooks or something? Never heard of it. Okay, so that's the arms. Let's do the legs now. What's this one? This is the... Which one are you? Okay. That one needs to go down. So we'll start fresh. Boop. And then we'll move it over to the next frame. And let's transform. And we'll just put the foot down. Oh shit. There we go. That should be fine. And the back, the other foot needs to go down. I mean back a little bit. So I think we'll try to make it smaller looking or something. Let's go over here. Transform. Oh, it's an actioning website. It's what? Actioning. You've gotten filament. My mouse pad and guitar. Oh, auctioning website. Like, oh, it's like eBay? Huh. Nice. And you're getting good prices? Yeah, I never heard of that. I'll have to check it out. You can't spell? Yeah. Spelling's for losers, man. Okay. Now let's do something with you. So I think I'm gonna have to actually kind of like skew it in a little bit, maybe. So we'll go like a little in like that, and then let's go a little up, something like that. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. All right, next frame. We'll start reverting the arms back. And it looks like that foot stays the same, the other foot goes back a little bit more. So let's try that out. Let's do the arms first. Okay, and that's that arm. So that arm needs to go back a little bit. So let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, there we go. So you need to go back a little bit. Okay. And the other one needs to go back to where it was a little bit. Hey, balloons. Yeah, he needs to come a little bit forward now. Let's go the other arm. Where is the other arm? Here. Okay, you need to come back. Okay. And now this leg stays the same. That one stays the same. The other one goes back a little bit more. So let's make his leg go a little bit up. And maybe a little bit inward. Maybe. Might look weird. Amazing prices. There's Ender 3 under for $5. It's a pretty good price. Though there's probably like a minimum price that they'll accept. So if it comes to $5, you know what I mean? Like eBay, you have to do a minimum price. For an Ender 3? Nah, man, those are like 169 bucks still. Alright. So that stays the same, so I'll just do one of these. Boop. Cool. Next. Number 4. Now it looks like the arms are straight at the side, so the one on the left is going to go a little bit over, and the one on the right needs to come out. And it looks like the foot goes even more up. So we'll see about that. Let's do the arms first. How's the flex keys coming? I need to turn off the LED. On white, the camera can't pick up the white filament, so it just looks like a white blob. It's not that bad. You got your mouse pad for $1? Nice. Yeah, I'm sure some of them don't have a minimum, but I think on like high price things like that, they'll probably end up being like, we didn't meet our minimum, so we're gonna relist it later or something. Could be wrong. Could be like just the way of getting people in. Alright. So, Joe, need to come out more. We'll go full on fully. Left arm out. I think that's fine. And then we need the other arm to go out even more. And be a sideways arm. Whoop. Doop, doop, doop. I don't know why his arm was so low. Shit. I might have to clean that up. Can't exactly do that without adding a layer here. Why aren't you working? Oh, there we go. And that's what the pen is good for. Alright. And now we need to lift the foot up. Wait, did something else change on that right foot? No. So it looks like the right foot hasn't changed for a couple frames. This might be too many frames. You ruined a hot glue gun today. How'd you do that? I think this is the right foot. Let's just so let's go a little bit more. Alright, let's see what it looks like so far. Okay. A little creepy. I'm guessing once the legs start actually walking interchangeably, it'll make sense. But so far it's looking a little weird. Alright. Next, number 5. Looks like number 5, the arms are going spread. And her foot's coming back down now. Okay. So this is still not moving. And this arm is coming, I mean the leg is coming back down. That's what I meant to say. Okay. And the arms are all spread out, so let's do that. Doop. Doop, doop, doop. Oh, shit. Okay. He might look really dumb walking like this. I don't know yet. We're gonna have to see. Probably don't have to do so much movement. Oh, that's too much. Sure. You saw a video that said you could make an insert so you could like weld prints with it, and now you have a glob of filament. Oh. You could, but it's gotta be a high temperature glue gun, because you know there's low temperature glue guns now, so you don't kill, like burn yourself. Usually the really cheap ones are high temperature, but I have a low temperature one that I use for like fixing the kids' shit and stuff. But yeah, high temperature glue gun should get hot enough to melt filament. What's that? I don't really have screen to play videos today. My screen's fully taken up here. Oh, which, hey. Cheers, other camera. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, what's next? Number 6. Oh. My printer just knocked something off my desk because it's so high temp, but it did not want to go through. You know what I use? So anytime I'm going to be doing some PLA welding, or I need to melt like a piece of PLA, which I need to actually refill this real quick. I have a torch lighter that I got for smoking my whiskey glasses. And I use it for everything. Annealing, melting strings, and it's actually very good, this thing right here. Yeah, so you just torch and it works perfect. So what I do is I just take a little bit of filament. I have some like excess filament rolls from like leftover filament, and I'll hold it and I'll kind of do like a TIG welding thing, where you melt the filament and then you put it on where you want to. It's not like perfect. There are 3D printer pens that I was going to get. I have not gotten it yet because I'm just doing the melting technique for now. Yeah, it's the same thing. So if you look up 3D printer pen, it takes actual filament, PLA filament, and it's a 3D printer pen. We can like draw and shit. So you can use that. Oh, I'm screaming, sorry. You can use that is what I'm assuming. What the hell? I just realized that the tablet was making noise. I'm sorry. So yeah. Hey, Duck Dude. How's it going, man? Yeah, the 3D printer pen, I think one by Sunlu or Esun, they make one that has mixed reviews. There's one that's called like 3D Mint or something like that. Either way, I would consider getting a 3D printer pen to fill in gaps or fill in hole pits. I'm probably gonna get one, not for myself. Maybe like a Father's Day thing. I'll make my wife get it for me or something like that. But that's my plan, because right now just melting filament onto it, it's just not accurate enough, and it ends up getting kind of everywhere, and then I have to really sand down. Yeah. Anyway, where was I? Number 5. Did I do number 5? I did. Okay, number 6. So she's stepping up. So the foot's coming up higher, and the arms are going to the side. Okay, whatever. We'll try it. So foot's going a little higher. There's definitely a specific angle she's doing, but I'm not going to be able to do that completely. And then it looks like the arms are going straight to the side, so the gap is going away. So we'll do that. We'll go in. And then let's do the other arm. Well, let's do the leg, I guess. This is going a little bit higher, which I think I can just go up. Okay, without actually warping it. And then let's do the other leg. Oh wait, is the other leg not moving again? Oh my god. This leg has not moved for like 5 frames. That's really interesting. I might have to move the body up and down, but whatever. Okay, so you're just going again. There you go. And the other arm is also going in a bit. Okay. Sure. Next frame. Wow, we're halfway. Okay, this is a big one. So now the other arm is going behind, which I do not know how I'm gonna do. I might have to switch. I might have to duplicate the arm and switch opacity actually for this one. Alright, come on over. You're slowly surely writing your book? Hell yeah, 5 pages into the 2nd chapter. Nice. Congrats, man. Hey, Deck Dude, welcome. In honor of your book writing, I will restart the stream avatars. Whoop. Let's see if we can get Dak Dude in here floating around. Come on, stream avatars. I don't see it. Oh, something happened.
DDoS21020015 just followed.
Hey! DDoS0210 2015. Hey, thanks for following. Welcome to the party. It's a confusing one today, but bear with me. We're working on video game assets, and I'm also doing a 3D print in the background, and yeah. Trying to fit everything on the screen. There we go. Wait, that dude's not on here. That's weird. Welcome to the shit show. Yeah, he's not wrong. Oh, here we go. I gotta put stream avatars at top. Yes. Stream avatars, you are on top. There we go. Now you're floating around on top. There's a bear? Where? Stare, 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 stare. Yes, please. Okay. What am I doing? I probably should have picked a different character to base this walking animation off of, but it seems like it's not bad. Okay, so arms, blah, blah, blah. That's number 6. Number 7, she moves her arm back. So, like I said, I think I'm going to have to duplicate this. And I'm going to have to put this behind the body. And then we can start doing this. So next frame, I need to go opacity 0. Let's do this. And then do opacity 0. Okay, so now the other arm's in frame, which is you. Now I need to move this one with transform. Oh shit. So move this one behind. This is gonna be crazy. Okay, so now you're going behind a little bit. Alright, that's not bad. Oh shit, that's bad. Undo. Try again. I gotta do a little. And then I gotta do inward. There we go. Orbem stream is an addiction. I agree. You're not gonna survive if you stay here too long. The stare down. Alright. Good. What does this even look like? Hold on, I want to see the transition. It's gonna look weird. Oh, I gotta... hold on. I need to start opacity at 0 for the other arm. Otherwise it's gonna overlap. There we go. Perfect. Oh shit, I have to start this one opacity at 100. God damn it. There we go. Better. And this one starts like this. And then it goes like this. And then it goes like this. Okay. Oh, that's creepy. It's like a ghost arm. No. So this is 100. And it needs to stay 100. What is this? No. I deleted the wrong thing. Okay. So stay 100. So we'll do another one. And we'll do the same thing where it fades out. God damn it. Right here. And it'll fade in right here. I mean, fade out right here. There we go. Now let's see what it looks like. There we go. See? You can't even see the fade out. It just goes behind.
Ghost arm.
Ooh, foreshadowing. Yeah, that's the ghost arm. Game Doodle got it. It's big brain. $100 giveaway? Maybe. I don't think I'll ever get to 100 followers. Hey, I got the 81. Because Indy keeps making fake accounts. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. If I get to 100 followers on Twitch, I'll consider it. That'd be pretty big. Twitch is hard to get followers. I mean, I'm at like 250 or something on YouTube. Alright. You got zoned out and you started doom scrolling on TikTok. Sorry, I just read that. Oh crap. Cancel. Okay. So now we're okay. So next. Oh no, we're still on this. Oh, so the foot needs to go down. Yeah, it goes from up straight down. So let's go to the leg. Okay, this leg. What do I do with this leg? Okay, it needs to kind of go in a little bit. So we'll go in a little bit. I could do that. And then the other leg is straight down. So let's do that. You're going back down, my friend. Do. And let's actually straighten it out a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. That's better. Or Brahma order. Yeah, like that one. Time to make 19 alts. I'll know. I will completely not do the giveaway if you do 19 alts. Alright. What does this arm do? Oh, it comes forward. Fucking great. I have to do the same thing. Okay. Same trickery. Here we go. We got to duplicate. Okay. I guess I didn't have to do opacity. I could have just cut the arm off. Whatever. Let's do the opacity. So we're going to go here. We're going to hide this by default. Okay. Hey, the flex key shell finished. Let's go check out that print in a second. And then we're gonna wait till here. We're gonna do another timeline frame. And we're gonna quickly bring it back to life right here at 100%, where it's in the front. And for this one, we're going to set opacity and then quickly turn it to jack shit 0. Alright, so now we have the front arm, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the transform, and then in the same frame as everybody else, we're gonna bring it forward a bit.
No Toffebird printing just followed.
I'm not doing it now. I have 0 tolerance for fake accounts now. It really doesn't help me at all, guys. I promise you. Followers are the least of the help. It's the watch. It's the viewer count. It's the watch hours. It's the subscribers, all that kind of stuff. Your fake accounts are not helping. In fact, that's actually one of like the main things that Twitch people get against them. They get like follower botted or whatever, and like it ends up boosting their follower count like crazy, and they get banned. Not that that would happen to me with you guys, but just saying, it's not a good thing. Okay, let's do this. And let's bring his arm forward a bit. Wait, what? Oh shit, I need to move it in front of the body. My bad. I need to move you in front of the body. There we go. Now you're in front of the body. It looks like he's fucking flossing, doesn't it? Let me jump on Twitch too. Cool. Yeah, YouTube or Twitch, doesn't matter. It don't matter none. At this point, I'm not super monetized anywhere. All the money's gonna come from products. All right, let's check the printout. Ooh. Alright. This one came out pretty good. I'll be honest. My goal is to find the cheapest filament, okay? You know what I mean? And, so that I can, you know, save on production costs. And, this white is stringy. It does say that it goes up to 300 millimeters a second, so it's not a super high speed filament. You know, those high-speed ones usually go up to 600, which is still not as fast as I need, but good enough. So, it's fine. It's a little stringy. The nubs look okay. I did round these edges, which I'm very happy with, because they were all, the corners were all sharp. And then I chamfered all the bottom edges, which actually came out pretty good. But yeah, here you go. Flex keys. It's hard to see in white. So I need to make some keys for this. Melting your own plastic beads and stringing them into filament. Yeah, I know the white is so bright. Flex keys. Coming to an Amazon near you. I'm going to be selling them on my store too. So anybody who wants to buy it and support the channel and support me, it's probably better to buy it directly from my store. So I don't have to give Amazon anything. And I'll personally kiss every product. Creep. Yeah, the cheapest filament is making your own. I have a lot that I'd love to recycle. I mean, one day I will spend the time and money to buy a filament destroyer. Blending is just not great for that. And yeah, man, you need all my DNA on your products. And but I started following a company. It's called 3D Company, I think. It's like 3 Company. I forget what it's called. But they have a kind of similar size to my FL Sun T1 Pro filament creator, where you just dump it in the top and it just creates and it rolls it off. And it takes a little skill to figure out how to make sure it's the right diameter, but it's not like the ones where it's like horizontal and you need like a whole table to do. It's very enclosed and really convenient. So they said that they're gonna start shipping in March, and it's only $899, which is like, compared to the ones out there that are right now, they're very expensive. Little or mortar. Yeah. You could clone me. You can have little baby or mortar. I was great as a baby. I was told I was the best baby ever, so. Speaking of kissing each print, I'm gonna send my books back over sometime, because I know the author and he may have got them. Yeah, man. Ship them over. I'll autograph them all. Yes. Yeah, they'll be very expensive to ship out, or mortars. Okay. Let's get some keys loaded into the printer, and then we'll continue our escapade. Get some keys on this bitch. Get some keys on this bitch.
Print some keys on this bitch.
Keys. Flex key. Alright, we got one.
JavaScript International just followed.
JavaScript International. I don't even know if you're real. That sounds like you could easily be indie, creating more accounts. But if you are real, welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome here. I appreciate the follow. I just don't know if you're a real person or not. Because we have some troublemakers on this stream. Shit. Okay. Let's get this there. Not off the bed. Well, it could be indie still. That's who I'm mostly worried about. No? JavaScript International? Alright. Well then, welcome my friend. Welcome to the party. Feel free to talk as much as you want. Nobody else minds. Twitch won't let you make more accounts? Would you run out of emails or... let's clone. We need one, we need 3 more. Whoop. Yeah, right. There's 2. And there's 3. Matter of fact, I'm actually a little worried about this filament with these keys. These keys are a little temperamental because they don't use supports. Let's turn off ironing just in case. Because ironing can also screw this up. This don't look like a WordPress game engine to me. Yeah, I'm making assets for the game. Here, I'll throw it over real quick so you can see what we're working on here. So, this is the WordPress game engine. Here's part of it. This is the main character. I actually developed some custom fields over here. I know it's a little busy. Recently, to upload images for your characters. So this is working really well now. And if we go over to the game, you'll see what we're working with here. There's my new image. Does he move? No, I don't think he moves. I think it's all broken right now because I'm working on the logic for character. How come I'm not hearing any sound? Are you guys hearing the video sound in the background? No sound? Oh, I muted this. I did that on purpose. What the hell? Where's that sound coming from? What the hell? Stop. Where's that song coming from? Where's the song coming from? I unmuted and now it's playing. Oh, it's playing over here. What the hell? I don't remember opening another tab, by the way. Hey, balloons! So here's the intro to the game. What the hell? Yeah. Though, obviously most of this is being blocked by all my awesome screens. I don't know. It's gesture based, so sometimes when I have like my fingers up, it's It's FaceTime camera. So this is Escape to Orbem. This is the WordPress game engine built RPG video game. This is my local website. So this is I'm using local WP by Flywheel. Yes, off the bat, I'm ignoring you. Not on purpose. And, yeah. So, it doesn't work right now, because like I said, my new avatar is kind of stopping everything, but basically it's an RPG video game based off of my book series. So you can have your own domain with it? Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you. So local WP it's basically this thing right here. So you'll see you can set up your own domains. You can change it to whatever you want. I just usually go my website .local instead of .com. Because this is orbemortar.com. Hey, see, you're on the list. JavaScript made it to the list. You are part of the order now. Welcome. And yeah, this is the website that I'm building the video game into. I'm on my local version of the website right now. You know, because the website is a marketing website for the book series, for the Discord, for the merch. Here's Orbem, the original book. This is number 1. I have 2 books out right now. And you can, yeah, you can listen to the music as well. All the music in the stream I have created. And the shop is, it's kind of V1 right now. This is all the merch. Just goes to my Amazon merch store. But yeah, if you're interested in sci-fi fantasy, if you're interested in reading or audiobooks, then this is the place for you. How'd you do that list of Twitch names, things? And what the hell is those pictures on the screen? They're one and the same, actually. I developed a WordPress plugin called Orbem Chatters. Basically what it does is it reads my Twitch API information, and whoever's on my stream, it shows up on the on a list. So this is just showing a list of the current people in my Twitch chat. And the people that are floating above me are also in my Twitch chat if they created an account on orbemortar.com and I uploaded a stream avatar for them. Which I don't think we have everybody floating right now. Let me restart the stream avatars. And it's part of my website. Yeah, there we go. Now we got Platman and everybody on there. And so yeah, if you want to get something floating up there, feel free to create an account on orbemortar.com/register. Your username has to be exactly the same as your Twitch username, including how, you know, capital letters and whatnot. And yeah, once you do that, then I can upload an image for you and you'll be floating above me as well. All right. Yeah, we lost what is it? Cardboard Junk Stuff? We lost him. I don't know what happened to him. All right. Back to the clutter. Feel free to ask as many questions as you want. I do not mind. And let's get these started. I am worried about them, but I'm going to let it happen. I'm going to let it do it at once. Good luck. I need 4 more keys anyways, and I hope these come out good. Good or great. Good is fine with me. There's the printer. Alright, go! Let's get the preview back open so I know what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, he was doing some cool cardboard stuff. It's not the first time he's bailed and said kind of like, peace out. He used to be, Indy said his old name. He used to be, Projectile Game? Yeah, there you go. He used to be a projectile game, and then he said that he died. His brother said that he died. Who, I don't know who was. His brother was probably him. But, you know, another guy from Mongolia. A little rare. We'll see, though. I hope he's doing well. Alright, off to bed. Appreciate you jumping on, man. We'll see you again soon. And... so I'm working on... foot down, which I did. Okay, I think I did this. Arm forward. Okay, so we're good. Oh, wait, no. We have one more. No, this one's... yeah, this one's dead now. Alright, number 8. We're almost there. Alright, the print is starting. Let's go. He could be secretly watching. He could be lurking. He'd be on the list as somebody, though. I mean, he can't lurk on my channel. I've got a list. Exactly. You spilled water all over yourself? Oh, shit. That's not good. No buenos. Let's see who's on the list today. JavaScript. We got the new and improved JavaScript International. GX, Indie. Got Dak Dude, the Norm, and Off the Bed. Nice. You create an account? Nice. Let's check it out. This is actually where I figure out whether you are indie or not. Let's see here. Alright. And I will take you off screen just so, in case people can see. And now you get to choose an image. What do you want? What image would you like to show up? Yep. This is indie again. Alright. The fake account's gotta stop, man. I'm just gonna block you next time. Okay. Which I don't want to, because I like having you around, honestly. I think most of the time you do good stuff, and I appreciate all the subscribes and, you know, all the support, but the fake account's gotta stop. Alright, let's get back to this. Okay. Yes. It might look weird when the opacity changes between the arms. But whatever. Okay. So the next one is... arm is forward. So number 8, the arm needs to come more forward. That one needs to go behind more. So let's just do that. I think the feet don't really move too much. Alright. You! So you have to go behind. Yeah. The printer sounds weird. Yeah, it does sound kind of underwater. Okay, it looks like he's scratching his butt, but I think that's okay. Yeah, it's not a big deal. He could scratch his butt. And then this is the one in front. Needs to come more in front. Okay. I think that's enough. I don't want to move it too far in front. Okay. These are dead. So let's go down to the legs. So what's the difference with the legs? The legs... looks like the left one kind of steps down a little bit. And the other one's kind of moving back a little bit. So I think I can do that. Oops, shit. Okay, so this one I can move up a little bit. Like very subtle like that. And then the other one needs to move, I don't know, like forward a little bit. Maybe if I angle it. I don't know. I don't think that really did anything. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Maybe down a little bit. What did that do? Kinda didn't do much. Let's see. Yeah, I think I want it to move. Kind of like that. I'll move it down so it's not too high. Yeah, that should be good. 2/3 view art is tough, I know. Yeah, especially like walking down. Because technically the art I'm using as an example for the frames is walking towards the camera. So it might look like I'm floating down. I don't know. But after I do this, I'll move to the walking up. So that'll be a little different. But I did manage to get him look like he's coming straight at me. His eyes look a little cockeyed, I'm not gonna lie. But when he's smaller, it's not like a massive difference. I mean, it's not super noticeable. Alright, number 9. So now, the back foot needs to come up. Yeah, it looks alright. Back foot needs to come up. And the other arm needs to go less back. Wait, what? Wait, am I on 7 or 8? I'm on 8. So the arm went behind. 8 goes more behind. Did I go more behind on 8? Oh yeah, because I phased it. Okay. I guess I could have moved it more, but that's alright. And now it needs to come back a little bit. And the other one needs to come back a little bit. Okay. Let's do it. Well, 12 frames is a pretty intricate animation for a 100 pixel animation. We'll see though. It's gonna look pretty like fluid and weird. Especially because I'm not doing literally frame by frame. I'm doing like transition framing. Alright. So you need to come back a little bit. And you are doing something? What are you doing? You're going back, so I'm going to go up on you. Okay. That should be good. And then you... I don't think do anything. You do nothing. Let's cancel that. And nothing. And then... Is that it? Okay, that's it. Next. Next. Number 10. Oh, we're almost there. We're so close. Number 10. So now they're straight again. And this back leg is higher. So let's do this. Oh, still nothing. And then this. Needs to go higher. Okay. And then this needs to go out straight. So I can just do this. Sure. Stop doing a floss. And this. Deck dude. Go to the wrap. Okay, I'll check it out in a second. Alright. You can go straight out. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. Whoa, whoa, what? Am I doing the wrong one? No. How come this is so different? Shit, did I not do this part? Or did nothing change? Supposed to come back here. Hold on, I need to do that. Now. Ugh. Hold on. Let's redo this. So this should, here, this needs to come back a little bit more. And then here it comes back to straight. I skipped it. There we go. Better. Wrap length 2 minutes? Ah, come on, man. I'll see how far I can get into it.
When it was the right time for my wife and I to launch ours.
The grandpa ramp. Where's the wrap?
Kicks. We'd rock us some mocks. You microwave it? We'd use us some rocks. What you know about this? 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 That YouTube thing? We ain't handle that. We talk to each other. I'm bringing that back. I'm off to the store, but I need a new phone. Wait, what's the problem? The thing won't turn on. I swear this technology isn't worth nothing. Grandpa, did you try to hit the on button? Oh, thanks, Kyle. These are hard. They should bring
Thanks, Kyle.
Show me, how do I email a tweet? Grandpa, you can't.
No, I won't.
Oh my gosh, Kyle, we're rich. Pack up your bags, we're gonna spend it all summer. What? We run $1 million a trip. All I gotta do is get my credit card number. That isn't real. But it says it right there. It's just a scam. Someone's not trying to share. Matter of fact, I'll do it. Keep me the loot. That's not how you work it. I don't give a hoot. Is that my baby? Can't be, boy, you look so grown. Grandma, I'm 20. Still so young. I grow up so fast. I guess now I'm about to get some snacks. Hungry, baby? Grandma, you're neat. What I need, kicking me from cookies with collard greens. Matter of fact, if you want, I'll make you some mac and cheese. Thanks, but I'm good. You're not leaving hungry. What you doing? Nothing really.
What you doing?
You don't know nothing like back in my day. If you were bored, better get a board game. Matter of fact, that's what we did. We would skate. That's pretty cool. Grandpa, stop, it's not safe. They call this the Kevin Ware flip, okay? Don't worry about me. I'm still popping. What? Grandpa, my bag just popped in.
My back just popped in.
What you know about this? What you know about this?
Bill
What you
Nye.
know about this? That watching exists. We using the clocks. You see that TV?
He's in a neck
We
brace.
watching the box. What you know about this? 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 That jazz out thing? We ain't handle that.
Chat snap.
We talk to each other. I'm bringing that back.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. Funny. What you know about this? What you know about this? We ain't had none of that. Alright. Arms are straight. Number 10 is good. Let's do number 11. Oh my god, 2 more! I started where there was 2 minutes left. You said it was approximately 2 minutes. So number 11. Wider arms. Leg is coming back down. Okay. Wider arms. Legs coming back down. Wider arm. Might be too wide, but I'm going with it. Wider. That is definitely too wide, but I'm going with it. I'm getting sick of working on this. And then this needs to go down a little bit. Okay. And one more. So what's the deal with your tiny monitor? Is it a drawing monitor or like one of those productive monitors? This is a drawing tablet, yeah. So this is, I was using this for redrawing his like body parts and erasing pieces as I was like manipulating him to go forward and stuff. Yeah, that is a power pose. I like his face too, it's good. It's very stern. Okay. Last one. Leg up higher again? What? So it's like leg back, up. Alright. So we're gonna bring the arms in for the last frame. And then we'll see what this looks like. We're gonna go maybe like we'll just go like this. Dot. Okay. And then for here we're gonna bring the arms back in a little bit. Yeah, okay. And the final arm right here. Bringing you back. Animation. Okay. Now, let's let it repeat at the end like that. And let's see what it looks like. It's probably gonna look really weird. It doesn't make any sense. It's like the whole feet coming back up and down. I guess they're trying to animate like it going back and up and then down. So like technically they have different toe animation in this one. But I'm going to have to simplify this a lot. I'm thinking just up and down legs is gonna be fine. He's got a little hip hop. Yeah, and the transition back to the first frame, just, it doesn't work at all. Okay, so now that we have this all, you know, in a state, let's see what we can do here. So first off, I think for the arms, I'm not too mad at the arms. The only problem is I'm going to have to... It is weird that she ends her arms straight, but then the first one, it's probably because it's like transitioning to the next. So I need to technically transition to the beginning arm, which the beginning arm is like this. So if this was just like frame by frame, it would be different. But since it's like moving, I need to move back to this position, which is impossible because it's different arms now. So I'm gonna have to add frames here. So let's see if I can do that without destroying everything I did. So I'm going to just focus on the arms. We can leave... I think we can leave... No, we're gonna have to move everything. So you're gonna all have to move. Like one... I think just one frame. One frame. One frame. And then these... We're gonna have to scoot you over one frame. Sure. Where's the other arm? It's down here. Move you one frame. Which is kind of like that. Okay. So the starting position is gonna have to be different. You going on a trip? Hell yeah, man. That sounds fun. Where are you going? Okay. So we need to start straight, basically. With you. So let's do this. And let's go a little out. And then let's do the other arm. Okay. Now that the arms are straight, it should look better transitioning. Let's see. Let's try it out. So now I can go like right at the end. Yeah, it's a little better. It's not perfect. There's still a little bit of a pop. Maybe if I even go all the way to the end. There you go, that's better. Definitely think the arms are a little bit off. You would say where, but you don't want to become Mr. Ball story because I don't know who's lurking. Oh, okay. I'm with you. Then keep it to yourself. God damn it. Did I not bring my water? Whatever. Water's for normal people. Okay. So now it's just a weird feet movement that I need to go. The arm motion looks good. It's still a little... I mean, he's flossing. Does that look like he's walking down? Like, why do you gotta sway your arms that much? Honestly. I probably could have got it off with something... Oh god, I'm screaming. I could have got off with something, like, way more subtle. I was just trying to match. But this is like a girl walking, so they kind of, like, swing their arms a little more. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe, you know, let's see what it looks like small. So if we do... I know it'll be a little bigger than this, but... It's a little slow. I might want to bring everything together. So let's just start with the arms. And then we'll fix the legs separately. Let's see. So if we go smaller, smaller, and make it a lot faster of an animation. Probably be better. Let's make it smooth. Let's bring all these over. Alright, that's better. And then let's do the same thing up here. Nope. Where's the other one? Oh, here. No, that's the one I just did. Here. Alright. Let's move all you down. Honestly, I can make it go away right away. And then we can do like that. Alright, let's try that. And now let's move all this arm animation over. Alright. This, oh shit. View. I definitely don't miss using a mouse, but all the focus is on the animation, but moving through the world there will be a lot more eyes to absorb. Yeah, I know. It's just, this is kind of going to be the benchmark for all the other people. So I just want to, like, get how I'm going to do it down. So that I can, you know how intense or how subtle to go with everybody else. Alright. Yeah, okay. There we go. And I think I actually went too big for this. How fast did I go? Yeah, I did more like... let's see if I can fit it all in. There we go. Now I can see. I think I did it like that. There we go. And now let's do that. Okay. Let's try this out. Now that it's faster, maybe the sway will either look drastically more insane, or it'll make more sense. Go. Oh yeah, that's better. I mean, he's definitely flossing. But at least it's kind of like a smooth... I like it. And that's how he's going to be walking. He's going to be walking fairly fast. Okay. Now let's figure out these legs, because they are wonky. So, a leg... which leg is this? Okay. So this is that leg. So I know what I wanted to do. First off, let's speed everything up to the same cadence as the arms. How are the keys going on the printer? They look okay. Nothing got knocked off yet. Alright. Let's see if... I mean, I know I still need to, like, cut out some movement on the legs, but I want to see if they look better faster. I definitely think I need to spread these out more. If they're gonna fit the same cadence as the arm movement frames. Because it should technically be the same. Uh-huh. Yeah. Nearby, wherever you are, I believe that the heart is strong. Looks like I'm missing. Oh, I know why. I think because because it's supposed to start not moving at some point. Got it. So what does it look like right now? So the whole, like, up thing, that's stupid. So, let's see. Let's go down. Up. Yeah, like this. I don't know why it's going back up. I'm getting rid of that. Yeah, if we do something more like this, where it's going. Let's do this. And then I'll start down. And then let's end like a little more down than that. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know, the other leg is distracting me, so let me try actually fixing the other leg. We like to party. We like to party. Come on. Uh-oh, I'm running out of animation frames. Alright, let's see what we have going on here. So it's like going up, going down, oh, going back up, going up. Yeah, I need to get rid of this. Okay, so it's going up, down, up. Yeah, it should go up when that goes down, and then go down when that goes up. But see, it's going back up. I need to get rid of you. Yeah, it should just be much simpler of a walking animation. Yep. See, all these are just wrong. Yeah, because basically just up, down, up, down. Honestly, I kind of just want to start over, just making it going up and down. It seems like this is way overcomplicated. So let's just restart. Knowing what I know now. Start straight. Well, let's not start straight. Let's start with the right leg going up a little bit. Okay. We'll start like that. And... wait, what? What did I just do? Oh, okay, okay. So we'll go doop, and a boop, and then the next frame, we're gonna go up. Well, this one will go up more. We'll just make it like kind of subtle movements. And then this can go back down while... This one still does nothing. And then we'll switch legs. The back leg looks alright, limited range, but not too shabby. Yeah, I'm just gonna redo it. It just makes more sense. Alright. Now this one's gonna go all the way down. Okay. And then this one's gonna start to go up. Okay. And then next. This one's gonna do nothing. This one's going to go up. Sure. Then we'll do another nothing. While this one starts to go down. And now this one will go down all the way. Oh shit. Well, this one starts to go up again. And that's kind of where it started. So that should be, I mean, the pitter-patter of little feet. You know, it should be okay. Now, unfortunately, the arm movements take up twice as much animation speed, but let's see what this looks like at least. There you go. Have it zoomed out. Honestly, it's almost fine that the arms don't transfer all the way. That looks fine. There's a little bit of a wobble at the end of the arm transition. But, like, I don't need to have the whole, like, back and forth crap. That's walking down to me. I think we got it. I would like a little bit of head movement. So let's do that real quick. And we'll just use position. So, like... Oh wait. You. Oh shit, no. I didn't mean to do that. We need to go down, not up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, a little head bob. I don't even think that arm wobble is really bugging me too much, but let me see where it does happen. I think it happens... I think it goes from here to here. That's where it happens. But I think I can ditch you guys. I could ditch you guys. And I could ditch the opacity. Oh shit. Ditch the opacity change. Okay. And I can ditch this opacity change. Alright. Uh-oh, we lost an arm. Hold up. Ah. No. Wait, what? Oh, am I on the wrong arm? How is that possible? Oh, is it this? No? Uh-oh, this is at 0. What the hell? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, I'm going for it. That's it. Let's export this bitch. Call it a night. Export safer web. Let's play it one last time in full size. Oh yeah. It's a lot faster on it's a lot faster when it's on the safer web, but yeah, it's him running. Ah! It kind of looks like he has to go to the bathroom. Ah! Yeah, I think it looks good. Alright, Graham walking down. Yep. Whoop. So, that being said, let's ditch the tablet for a second. So, the new logic. Put this out of the way. What we need to fix tomorrow is the actual walking logic. Yeah. So, because right now what we have is so if I log in, I created some new custom fields, okay? And the custom fields have image uploaders directly to the media library, which is something that I hadn't been doing before. I was just using fields, which, you know, god damn it, kind of sucked. You know, just copying and pasting the URLs. I mean, it's cool to have external URLs to do that. But if you're using WordPress, you're going to use WordPress. So I think it's just a better user experience to do it directly like I'm talking about now. So if I go to the character, and we go to the main character, you see I have a bunch of these new fields here on the right. So we have static. Now one thing I notice is I'm going to need a static image for every direction. Because when you're not moving, I like to keep them pointing that way. Because if like you're shooting or something like that, I think it'd be weird if they're pointing forward every time you stop moving. So static is technically like the default, but then I need a static up and a static down and a static left and static right. So I have my right walking, but I don't have my static right. So for now, down image is the down walking. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to upload. Stop a GIF animation? No. I don't think so. I mean, I could just export it as a PNG. I mean, what I've been doing, though, I've been creating static versions of them. Like, I have a down static, where he's just kind of, like, bouncing up and down. Let's see. Let's do down static. So if you see, will it show him moving? Nope. How do I show him moving? Oh, I need to go to the image. Here we go. So if you go to the image, so you see I have him standing forward, like in the exact same position as walking down, but just doing this little breathing, blinking thing, just like I have the static default, which is, should be this. Yeah. So here's the static default, right? Where he's just kind of breathing and blinking. But if you're going to walk down and then you stop walking, then you're going to look like this. Same thing left and right. I have a static left and a static right. or they're just, you know, looking that way. I just think it'll feel a lot more dynamic, a lot better animation. So let's upload down walking down. Yeah, the idle animation is going to make a big deal, but I have to make a bunch of new fields for that. So here's my walking down. Oh yeah, it looks like he's walking down some stairs. I like it. And I just need to do a mirror of right for the left, so that's already done basically. The last one is walking up. Up is going to need the back of his head. It's going to need the back of his coat. And, you know, back of his shoes, back of his hands, that kind of stuff. So, that'll be the next one I work on. I probably won't do it on stream. I think tomorrow what we'll do is we'll get the images working that I have. Because I have to completely rewrite the walking logic. The way that it utilizes images. I need all the images to show up, you know, or at least, you know, some sort of way of referencing them better. And then I need the walking to, you know, just switch between the images instead of it loading a whole new image. Which, for a video game, you know, if you're playing on a console or a computer, when you load it, like, it's loading a bunch of shit, right? Whereas I'm treating this like a website. And since I'm treating it like a website, it's basically has to load as quick as possible to me. So it technically, I mean, when you load this game straight out, on my local, it's obviously going to be a little bit faster, but it's fast. I mean, this is fast. And this is loading all the images, all the JavaScript, but you know, it's because I'm utilizing the server a lot. So when this gets pushed to the staging site, staging is slower than production. It's a lot slower. But once it's loaded, it's loaded. Switching between areas takes a little bit longer because that's an API call. But that's where I'm gonna, you know, get the loading screen going. So, anyways, long story short, we're gonna work on some walking after this. And why don't we just throw a raid out there so we can say hi to our buddy, whoever is out there to be raided. Who dares stream while I want to raid? That's what I say. Ooh, Grumble of Pugs. Holy crap. Haven't seen him in a long time. Schmelly Orc. Grosjean. See ya, Dak dude. I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, we haven't seen Grumble and Pugs in a while. Let's get him raided. Seems like he's working on his game. Oh, on a mini-boss. Hell yeah. Thanks, man. Catch you in the next one. See you later, Dak dude. See ya, Itty. Thank everybody who's jumped on the YouTube Shorts live feed. Subscribe. You can see me do this more often, and I do post videos as well when the time comes. I also have a 3D printer channel, which is Orbem Order Printing, and you can see more of my live printing feeds and stuff like that, my time lapses to some awesome music. So yeah, thanks everybody for jumping on. I will catch you in the next one, and have a good night. Happy Tuesday. Bye.
Acuray. This puzzle's called Acuray.